In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Order 13 on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So for the first step we need to open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to the search bar and we need to locate this game first before we can download it through another website. So go to the Steam platform, search for Steam, and as you can see we have the website over here. So we will go there and search for the game Order 13. Click on the game and scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game is starting at €8.79. So if you would like to get a cheaper game, so download it through another website and use the link in the description where it says find game here, and click on that link and you will be redirected to this site. Now we are searching for the same game, and as you can see this game starts already at €6.55, so that will give you a little discount on this game. Once you have bought this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to activate this game through Steam. So you will get an activation key and you can fill it in the Steam application to activate the game and download it on your PC. And that will save you some money. So hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!